work done in an isobaric process is 100 joule. If adiabatic constant for the gas is 1.4, find the heat given to the gas. Now work done in an isobaric process is work done is equal to P delta V. Now PV is equal to nRT or P delta V is equal to nR delta T, and heat is Q is equal to NCP delta T, NCP delta T. So heat is given, Q is equal to NCP delta T. So now Q by W is equal to NCP delta T divided by nR delta T. Now N and delta T cancels, that is Cp by R. So Cp by R, R is Cp minus Cv, that is Cp minus Cv. Now divided by Cv, so Cp by Cv is gamma, and again Cp by Cv is gamma, and Cv by Cv is 1, that is gamma by gamma minus 1, and the value of gamma is given as 1.4. So this is 1.4 divided by 1.4 minus 1, that is 0.4. This is equal to 3.5. So Q by W is 3.5, or Q is equal to 3.5 W. So Q by W, this is Q by W, so Q is equal to 3.5 W. Now the work done is 100 joule, that is 3.5 into 100, that is 350 joule. So the heat given to the gas is 350 joule, that is option 2 is the correct answer.